In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play service not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now click on search bar, search for Google Play service, tap on Google Play service, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache. Now clear cache. Now click on permission, allow all permission. Now restart your phone. Restart your phone. Now click on Google Chrome. Now search for Google Play service. Tap on Google Play service. Click on first link. Now update Google Play service. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play service not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.